Hi, hello, namaste. How are you, my dear students? I think all you're fine at home. Be safe at home, it's very important. So, are you busy for selecting the higher studies? Yes, hope so. In this duration, you all are busy. So, what the field I have to choose and what is giving good effort, so how to do, how to study. I think all the students are busy. So I'm going to help you in the one topic like bioinformatics. So the one topic what I am forwarding you is bioinformatics, which is a applied course. Okay. So what is this bioinformatics? This is the both combination of biotechnology like biology, biotechnology, and as all the biology with the computer based skills. Okay, it is used to analyze genome sequencing. Okay, this bioinformatics is very useful for genome sequencing. What do you mean by genome sequencing? As all students know, so every eukaryotic or prokaryotic you take, the genome is very important. Yes, gene, so which is carrying the characters from one generation to other generation, so that you are might be knowing about that. What do you mean by sequence in the sense, so what is the length of the genome, so how can the nucleoside will be prospected, and what is the sequence in this particular genome. Okay, so for this study is there, that is nothing but bioinformatics, what we are calling as a genome sequencing. For what it is useful actually, so if the students, those who are having a goal to achieve as a scientist, so for the scientist this group is very useful, because if you are working with so many animals or plants or so many etc. Okay, for this genome sequencing is very important. What are the benefits? Identification of diseases. So what the bioinformatics people will do, they will identify a disease. So we have so many diagnosis centers, so why can't diagnosis centers can diagnose a disease? So you have a question. So what ma'am is telling about bioinformatics, so what about the laboratories will do? So we have blood checking and all, so we can identify a disease. Yes, we can identify, but some diseases which can't be identified from internal, not an external factors, they are called syndromes. So through this study we can identify a disease. So what are the applications of this? Medicine, gene therapy and drug development. It is useful for medicine, it is useful for gene therapy and drug development. Okay, what do you mean by medicine? Okay, as we are saying in a medical field, gene therapist, we are saying gene therapist. What do you mean by therapy? Okay, for giving a cure or for reducing the disorders. What do you mean by drug development? Drug is not in other way, it is a medicine. Okay, how to improve the medicines. Okay, all this we can do with bioinformatics. So what are the approaches to get the bioinformatics? And to find out the connection between the gene, lifestyle, diseases. So what while studying this bioinformatics, what are the approaches we can do? It is a connection between gene, lifestyle and a disease. So here we can have a good scope in this. So what are the jobs? Bioinformatics, if you do, what are the jobs? Clear? The research scientist, pharmacologist, biologist, ecologist and nature conservation. Okay, in this you can get the jobs. Okay, next one, along with that, conservation officers also they will take, and government agency role, the important is forensic department. Very important it is, forensic department. So if you completed the bioinformatics, so what are the best country? First, that is United States, United Kingdoms, Germany and France. So in this abroad countries you have a good scope. Clear? Coming to the main jobs, about the job, that is minimum degree is required to qualify. What is minimum degree to qualify? Minimum degree is required. for qualification. Master degree, if you do in bioinformatics, you can go for computer engineer or computer science. So in this way you can go for computerized biology, and if you can do PhD also. So why PhD is important? So that you can get the doctorate, BSc, MSc and PhD. So BSc is not enough, so you have to go for master degrees. So what about in jobs India? So I am going to tell about Indians, those who are looking. So some people are completed, for example they completed bioinformatics. Okay, so probably we have to do in our India only. The first one is pharmacy. Okay, research, hospital and industry. So if you are not at all going teach, or you can go in the industries like pharmacy, biomedical sciences, research, hospitals and industries, so that you can have a good ambition. Okay, so that what you have to do, selection of topic is not important. Okay, going through the skill development is also important. I hope this is useful, and I would like to tell my students, okay, Sri Lakshmi, Ramya and Kalairasi, because they are commenting through the mails or doing comments every day, like after seeing the videos. It is very useful. Hope so what I am speaking and what I am giving a guidance to you, it is useful to all the students. Yes, okay, thank you for watching.